now. Hey guys, I want to give you guys some feedback on the video that you're watching. So with the Turbo Civic, this is my friend Civic. He was on 6 that night. I think he's got his time down to like a 12.4 on the slicks. I think it's a 12.4. But that race, I shouldn't have gone through the water box. I think going through the water box could have ended up hurting the drivetrain, I should say. So that's that. After that is when I raced that Mustang, which is the second part of that video with the camera facing backwards. That's when I broke the Galant. And not only did I break the rear axle, because you guys should have already have seen that video, but I also ended up breaking the center diff. So I had the center diff welded, and I had the car fixed for a little bit, but then now my third and fourth gear transmission is it gets stuck in gear. Sometimes it gets lost. So the car's been down for a few months because of that situation. But today is August 16th, and I am working on ordering I'm buying a transmission from possibly somebody up in Texas, and I will get that fixed, and this will probably be the last video of the Galant for a little bit up until I get it fixed. I might help my friend do the transmission swap, or I might just make a video and do it myself. Still getting used to the Evo clutch. But I hope this camera angle works pretty well. I had to use my Hero 2. My Hero 3 has a bad memory card, and my Hero 5 is full of content. So that's something good for you guys to know. Lots of content that's already been recorded from the Sentra, some from the Integra as well. And then I just did a ride-along with my friend in the Evo that I might post eventually. But I think that's about it currently. Don't forget, guys, I sell grounded kits right now. I'm on my way to the post office to go get this shipped out. This is a basic wire with sleeving with copper terminals. And I prefer selling the upgraded wire sleeved kits. They're just better overall, 100% better overall. So I still keep these on the side for those that don't want to spend the extra $10 for the better product, but that's okay. I want to leave options out for everybody. I just don't want to leave the most expensive part on there and not give other people the opportunity that can't afford it. So they do just about the same thing. It's just better quality in the upgraded wire kits. But I think that's it, guys. Galant Vr4 is still down. Center diff was welded. Transmission now is broken. Third and fourth. So next is to swap out that transmission and get that car back on the road. I do have that V8 Talon that wants to race me again, and a GTR that wants to race me. So the next videos should be those races or the update of the Galant being fixed. But other than that, guys, like the